Hi guys, it's Jamie here from Wize Mentoring. I just wanted to take a moment to invite you to our upcoming Wize Freedom workshop. In this month's workshop, I'm going to do a deep dive in how to hire people. Now, I've got a lot of experience in this area because I'm the CEO of Sky Accountants and Wize Mentoring and oversee a team of about 70 people in total. So over that time, I've had to hire a lot of people and find the right people and get them in the right seat and then get them doing the right work. So if you want some key strategies and some key takeaways of how to find the right people for your business so that you can free up your time and also strategically learn how to give them a career path so it's win-win. I invite you to join me in our upcoming workshop and we can discuss some of the steps and some of the key points that you need to implement to find the right people for your business. So I'll look forward to speaking to you in our upcoming workshop. See you soon. Bye for now.